Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Update po tayo sa reclassification of higher teaching positions, yung sa expanded career progression. Sabi ko nung una, isusundan natin ang inyong application. Ngayon ay ano ba yung mga documents na isasubmit ninyo kung kayo ay qualified na for reclassification? Ito, basahin po natin yung Division Memorandum ng isang SDO. Naglabas po sila ng memo na may title Acceptance of Submission of Applications for Reclassification of Qualified Teacher Applicants in All Levels under Career Progression or ECP System. First batch daw ito. Pero yung listahan ng first batch nito mga ka-Jesnabs, alam nyo ba kung ilang teachers? More than 2,000 teachers po, almost 3,000. So, tingnan po natin ano ba yung mga requirements na kailangan nila. Basahin muna natin yung number 1. Nakalagay dito in reference to DepEd Order number 24 series of 2025, guidelines on the implementation of the ECP system for teachers and school heads in the Department of Education. Tapos meron pang regional memo, acceptance of application for reclassification of teaching and school principal position in all levels under expanded career progression system. This division shall be accepting reclassification applications for teaching positions in all levels. Sa part na ito ay tapos na po sila ng career, Meron na silang mga list of teachers na pasok na sa 50 points na cut-off. Kaya ito, pinapasumiti na sila ng mga documentary requirements. Para po ito sa reclass, ito po. Letter A, duly accomplished reclassification form for teaching position. Bali, 2 kopya ang kailangan dito. Letter B ay yung CS Form 212. Yung personal data sheet with work experience sheet. Letter C ay photocopy of scholastic or academic record, special orders, transcript of record, and diploma, including completion of graduate and postgraduate units or degrees if available. So kung ano man dyan yung meron kayo. Letter D ay photocopy of duly signed service records. Then letter E ay photocopy of certificate or certificates of completion of the NAEAP accredited professional development programs, courses, or certificates of training issued by NAEAP accredited public and private institutions, or photocopy of certificates of relevant specialized trainings or professional development program if any. At saka yung panghuli ay itong report on the number of teachers and master teachers. Mga ka-Jesnabs, sobrang dami po ng mga pangalan na nakalagay sa division memo na ito. Sila pong lahat ay sumite ng mga documents na ito para sa reclassification. Kasi yung division office nila isusumiti po ito doon sa regional office. Kung saan yung regional office naman ay magsusumiti nito sa DBM na regional office. Opo, may deadline po doon sa DBM RO, Kaya kailangan maisumiti na ito ng mas maaga sa deadline sa regional office for approval. May nakalagay dito for number 3 na only master teacher applicants who meet the required parameters including teacher-to-teacher ratio shall be endorsed to the regional office. Applications that do not meet these parameters shall be returned. So, kinakailangan ng plantilla item for every 5 teachers within the school regardless of the position or title para sa MT1 to 5 sa kindergarten at saka elementary level. Almost the same yan sa secondary level. sa junior high school at saka sa senior high school ay nakadepende sa track, sa junior ay nakadepende sa subject or learning area, no? Okay? Yung iba tatlo lang yung ratio ano sa mga may hardship post, pero that is in division wide, same as doon sa mga ALS ay 5 yung ratio, 1:5, pero division wide po naman. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye.